Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Is it possible to think your way to good health? In today's video, you will learn how to use the law of attraction to boost your health, bring yourself into harmony, and raise your vibrational state to attract more joy and good health into your life. The law of attraction is a belief that like attracts like. If you're emitting negative energy, you'll receive more negative energy in your life. Thankfully, the reverse is also true. The more positive energy you put out into the world, the more positivity you will attract. Everything around us and within us has a vibrational frequency. If we want a healthy body that operates at a higher frequency, we must align our thoughts to that frequency. We can begin to cleanse and heal the body through the simple act of appreciation. Our bodies are breathing for us. Our hearts are beating, and it's working harmoniously to keep us alive and functioning. Take a moment to appreciate this fact and other features that you love about yourself. Whether you're sending love and appreciation to your eyes, your hair, or even a single freckle, you're raising your vibrational frequency by showing gratitude. Stress, anxiety, worry, and fear all cause disharmony within ourselves and the universe. Think about how these emotions cause a physical reaction in your body. Our hearts race, our digestion slows, and we enter a state of flight or fight. This feeling of disharmony actually blocks our energetic flow and hinders our ability to manifest. Even when circumstances seem beyond our control, we have the power to control our own thoughts. Our thoughts have the power to bring us back to center and bring our bodies to a positive vibrational frequency. Wondering how exactly to do that? We've got you covered. To release the negative emotions causing our body's stress and disharmony, we need to release them, since they do not serve us. Meditation is one of the simplest ways to bring you back to a vibrationally stable place. Studies show that meditation can help with depression, high blood pressure, anxiety, migraines, and disease. We know that everything surrounding us is vibrating at a specific frequency. When we use tools like meditation to release low vibrational frequencies in our minds, we put ourselves in a position to attract what we genuinely desire, including health, wealth, and abundance. Here's a step-by-step process on using the law of attraction to boost your health and attract more joy into your life. First, ask the universe for what you want. Get specific in your request. If you want to lower your blood pressure to a healthy range, define exactly what that healthy range looks like. If you want to build muscle, ask the universe for the ability to lift a specific amount of weight. Next, visualize this in your mind's eye. If your goal was to build muscle, picture yourself at the gym lifting with ease. Picture how your body looks and feels with as much detail as possible. Focus on the feelings associated with reaching your goal. You'll feel accomplished, confident, and healthy. The next step is releasing. Release your illusion of control. The only thing we have control over is our own thoughts. Trust that the universe will deliver exactly what you desire in perfect timing. Remember, what's meant to be yours will never pass you by. Releasing also means letting go of limiting beliefs that will block our manifestations. If you find yourself feeling frustrated or discouraged, evaluate your limiting beliefs. These are often negative thoughts that try to talk us out of what we desire. Try to nip those thoughts in the bud by acknowledging where they stem from and then replace them with an affirmation that aligns with your goal. If you're not progressing as quickly as you had hoped, you might start to think that you'll never reach your goal. Replace that with an affirmation like, I am consistently making progress toward my goal, and I am showing up as the best version of myself. Another way to raise your vibrational frequency is to watch channels like this, because we're putting out daily videos filled with positivity and tips to keep you on track with your goals. It's great content to consume to keep yourself centered and vibrationally stable. Finally, take action toward your goal. If we desire a healthy and strong body but consume junk food and aren't active, we can't possibly attract our goal. Yes, the universe will help us reach our goal, but it will only deliver what is vibrationally aligned with our frequency. The positive actions we take raise our vibrational frequency to match our desire. Now that you know how to use the law of attraction to impact your health, it's time to ask the universe for what you want and take action to achieve the change you wish to see. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.